Hello everybody, great to see you today again. Today we've got the sun in the sky. The sun, here is the sun. It's hot, so let's take our bags. This is my bag, a bag, blue bag, right? Let's take a bag and let's see what's in the bag. In the bag, I've got a pencil, okay, a magazine, a perfume. Let's put on some. Smells beautiful. A perfume. Okay. A mirror. A mirror. And we can go outside. But first, I need a shoe. I need two shoes actually, right? This is brown shoe. I need a bag, a shoe, and I can go outside. And sometimes we need an umbrella. An umbrella. Singing in the rain. But today it's not rainy weather. It's sunny weather. We don't need an umbrella. Let's put it away. An umbrella. No, we don't need an umbrella. But I can take an apple. Green apple. An apple, a bag, a shoe, an umbrella. So many things. I will take my notebook. Notebook, a notebook. Can you say a notebook? Thanks, a notebook. I will open my notebook, take a marker, and start writing in my notebook. Okay, a notebook, and I will take a book, or even better, this book. And I'll open the book and read the book. Okay, so read a book and a notebook. Can you say a book, a notebook? Excellent, thank you. After notebooks, I will take a ball, and I will play with the ball a little bit. A ball, okay? So we have so many things today. We say a bag, a pencil, a ball, a flower. Wow. Okay, this flower is purple. Do you remember? From the previous lesson, lesson number 3, colors. Purple flower. And I got here a flower. This flower smells beautiful too. A red flower. A red rose. This is a rose. Okay. A flower. A shoe. This is one big shoe, right? A shoe. And the sun. We use article the when we've got only one thing. We've got one sun in the sky. We've got one moon. A moon in the sky when it's dark, right? Excellent. And we use article a before the word that begins with a consonant. Okay, like B, P, B, F, S, S, M, C, D, L, any consonant. And over here, we've got article an, right? We use article an before the words that begins with a spoken vowel. A, I, O, U, E, okay? So we say an ice cream. Here's, I love ice cream. Do you like ice cream? My favorite is chocolate, strawberry, vanilla, lemon. I like every ice cream. That's why I wrote an ice cream twice. An ice cream. Okay. An apple. An apple. Here we have a red apple, This apple is green. Hmm? Okay, an apple. An apple. And orange. Yummy. I like orange ice cream too. And orange. And umbrella. And umbrella. Here's our umbrella. Umbrella. Okay, do you get it now? Let's revise. A book. A notebook. An apple. A ball. A bag. And inside the bag we've got a pencil. A perfume. A mirror. Oh, and we've got a glove. Glove is when it's cold, but today it's sunny weather. The sun is in the sky, so let's leave the glove. We don't need the glove. Okay. And here is a dog. Hello, dog. A dog. And an angry bird. Hello, angry bird. Hello, an angry bird. Can you say an angry bird? Excellent. Okay. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, it's an apple, an egg, an orange, a pencil, a ball. Excellent. Amazing. Next what we've got is a flower. Let's not forget flower. Beautiful flower. A flower. A rose. Okay. Great. Great that you're learning. Let's say once more. An apple. An apple, thank you. A book. Perfect. A notebook. Okay. A marker. An umbrella. An umbrella. La 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 la. Let's put away an umbrella. Okay. A dog. An angry bird. Excellent. An angry bird. A dog. Perfect. Okay. A bag. Now let's take our bag and let's see what else do we have. Oh, here's a lipstick. Let's put on some makeup. Lipstick. A lipstick. Okay. Can you say a lipstick? Thanks. Okay. And let's say these words once again. Just a moment. Okay. A bag. A pencil. A ball. Perfect. Let's go on. A flower. A shoe. The sun. You say the. Perfect. The sun. An ice cream. An ice cream again. An apple. An orange. And umbrella. Excellent. Great job. Now you know how to use article a and article an. This is the difference between article a and article an. So, is this a notebook or is this an notebook? Yes, it's a notebook. It's easier to say a notebook than to say an notebook, right? Yes. Okay, a notebook. What is this? An apple or an apple? Exactly, it's an apple. What color is this apple? An apple is green. And take a look at our lesson number 3 where we had colors. Green, apple, right? Okay. What is this? Oh, just a moment. It's a bag. A bag. We can't say and a bag because bag begins with the letter B, right? So we need this article in front. Okay. And what is this? Excellent. It's an egg. An egg. Perfect. Excellent. Now you know so many new words. Book, pencil, bag, ball, a shoe. But we don't need one shoe. We need two shoes, right? Let's take the other one. Let's take a bag. And let's go outside in the sun to walk a little, okay? Thank you so much for learning English with me. I hope to see you again. If you have any questions at all, you can post a comment in the blog or you can send me an email. And if you want to practice these articles, you can find some exercises in the blog, so check on it. Thank you so much for being here with me today. Have a great day, and I really hope to see you again, okay? Next time we will see what we're going to do. Thank you so much. Goodbye now.